Hi, I'm Peter Cheek. I'm the farm manager for Godminster Farms, and we are gathered here today for Agri-EPI's first satellite farm walk.
We have academics, we have tech developers, and we have other farmers who have all come here to learn from Peter Cheek all about his organic operation here on farm, as well as various different trials that we are running here.
The heritage of this place is a dairy farm predominantly, but we also grow crops and we also brand our own cheese. I think I'm a big believer in peer-to-peer farming.
So coming on farm provides people with an excellent opportunity to network and learn hands-on. You just don't get the same experience when you're watching a video or reading about it in an article as you do when you're watching people dig holes in the dirt.
What's really exciting as well is to see the use of the Agri-EPI satellite farm network, which is a network of 25 commercially operated farms around the UK, which technologists, academics and project partners are able to then test exciting new technologies in a real commercial environment. And this has been a great example of that today.
We've actually got two projects running here at the moment, one of which is the Aquapulse device, and it's a water treatment process. And then we have the Healthy Heifer project, and that's ear tags going in calves. You can hear more about that as you go around.
First of all, we looked at some slurry management and how we utilise that.
The slurry basically comes through the back of the tank up into the macerator and then is distributed down each pipe. The trial info basically states that you can retain twice as much nitrogen putting it through a dribble bar.
We then moved on to some of the soil samples that we've been doing and discussed soil organic matter.
So you want your soil to be much more like this, like a chocolate crumbly cake. Oxygen needs to get into this. If you feed the biology of this soil, you will get a lot more back out of it.
So we're taking soil samples and then we're going to go back to that exact same point and take another soil sample up. So that will tell us how well we're doing.
We then progressed and had a look at some calves with the Smart Bell technology.
So as the calves mooch around, having their milk, exercising, etc., that ear tag is monitoring what they do.
Well, part of what we're doing as well is for each animal we base it against itself and also against a group. If one changes but the rest don't, then there's something happening with that animal. If there's a Wi-Fi network around your farm, we can use that, but otherwise we can use a Wi-Fi dongle.
You go back and say, actually the calf tags are too brittle, or the battery life isn't long enough. It's about ironing out the problems, so when it goes to mass market, everybody enjoys the benefits.
Sometimes we'll fail so you don't have to, but equally we aim to succeed so you can too.
We then had a look at some cows out grazing. From there we went down and looked at our latest herbal ley and had a discussion on how that enhances the climate with its amazing carbon sequestration. So this is all grown to suck up the nitrogen, hold the soils together. So you've got to match your leys to your soil types. But as you can see, this is great. And from there we walked back through a field of a slightly different mix to show the variety that we feed our cows.
First thing I want to do is talk about Agri-EPI really. If you're thinking of joining, do it. Don't think about it, do it. The people are great and there's an awful lot of knowledge to tap into there. So right, this is Aquapulse water technology. It's a stainless steel phial. What this product does is makes water more efficient. So we have a pilot program running, and the common thread from all those farms is increased milk yield, ranging between 0.7 and about 1.8 litres per head per day. And one farmer said to me, that's the difference between making money this year and losing money.
We've measured the water every month, so we'll be able to collate that information. We've got all our cow records, and somebody from Agri-EPI will go through them with a fine-tooth comb.
I think the incentive is that by using innovation we can increase the welfare of the cows, and that's just great because that's what the public want.
We have UK-wide on-farm events coming up this year, as well as online webinars and networking events, and you can also come and find us at several conferences across the country. Go to agriepicenter.com to learn more about our free events and membership opportunities.